As a business owner, you probably have some documents that you need to onboard new colleagues, or maybe you have some internal guidelines, or even, like in my case, an internal Codebase database that you need to access to get information about how you do things in your company. So let's see how we can do something like this. Most companies have complicated things like programming code or formulas or stuff that is done in a certain way in this company. In my case, it's a code base. I use it for Python programming and AI programming. And from time to time you need something that you have used before, but you can't exactly remember how you did it. And that's where this Codebase database here comes in handy. In my case, I use Pinecone. They have a free starter plan and a standard plan, which is dirt cheap. The database is online all the time and you don't have to worry about data being not available. But you could also swap this out and use a local Chroma database or something like that. Anyhow, what I wanted to show you is that I can now use my code database and ask questions like, how do I load a file? And it should be able to answer the question based on the documents that I have provided. Here are the sources. So this one is how to load a PDF file. Here are the references. This is a PDF docx document from Colab Research, which I use for online programming in the browser. This is a German description, so let's try which is a prompt template I use. And here is the answer. This is how we do things around here in this company, and that might be very useful for your own rules, for your code base, or for processes that you have defined. Because as humans we can only manage about 4 to 7 digits in our head. And from time to time we need to look up how we do things. This is one of the ways I do it for AI programming code. Because this is not generic information from somebody else, it's exactly what I have used. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.